Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Ford Maverick accessories, specifically exploring the top contenders for the title of the best tonneau cover. Stay tuned to find the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability for your Maverick. Number 1. Tiger Auto Tonneau Cover, a sleek upgrade that's both style and substance. This bad boy doesn't just look sharp, it's a fortress for your truck bed, keeping your gear safe from the elements. The installation? Easier than a Sunday drive. The low-profile design adds a touch of class while boosting fuel efficiency. Made to fit the Maverick like a glove, this cover transforms your truck into a head-turning, cargo-protecting beast. Tiger Auto didn't just raise the bar, they built a whole new truck bed experience. Buckle up for the ultimate fusion of functionality and flair. Number 2. Tiptop Tonneau Cover on your Ford Maverick. This sleek, aerodynamic marvel doesn't just protect your truck bed, it transforms it into a style statement. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Tiptop cover seamlessly blends form and function. Its easy-to-install design ensures you spend less time fumbling with tools and more time turning heads on the road. From its robust build to its eye-catching aesthetics, this cover doesn't just shield your cargo, it elevates your driving experience. Upgrade your Maverick with the Tiptop Tonneau cover and redefine the way you roll. Number 3. True Zito's Tonneau cover is the Maverick's stylish shield against the elements. Crafted with precision, it hugs every curve of your Ford Maverick, turning heads on the road. Seamlessly blending durability and aesthetics, this cover is a game-changer. The sleek design doesn't just stop traffic, it keeps your cargo secure and weather-resistant. Installing it was a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design. So, if you're ready to elevate your Maverick style while ensuring top-notch protection for your gear, True Zito's Tonneau cover is your ticket to driving in both comfort and style. Number 4. Top Tiny Tonneau Cover, the game changer for Ford Maverick owners. Sleek, stylish, and undeniably robust, this cover not only elevates your truck's aesthetics but also delivers unmatched functionality. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. The durable material ensures protection against the elements, keeping your cargo safe and secure. But what truly sets it apart? The Top Tiny Tonneau cover effortlessly merges form with function, enhancing your Maverick's performance while turning heads on the road. Upgrade your ride with Top Tiny, because your truck deserves nothing but the best. Number 5. Tonneau Pro Tonneau Cover, a game changer for Ford enthusiasts. Crafted with precision, this cover seamlessly marries style and functionality. It's not just a tonneau, it's a statement. The sleek, low-profile design hugs the contours of your Maverick, turning heads on every drive. Rain or shine, your cargo stays protected, thanks to its robust, weather-resistant material. Installing it is a breeze, and the enhanced security features bring peace of mind. Elevate your Maverick's allure and utility with the Tonneau Pro, because your ride deserves nothing but the best. In conclusion, choosing the right tonneau cover for your Ford Maverick is crucial for optimal functionality and style. From our in-depth exploration, brand name emerges as the top choice, seamlessly blending durability, aesthetics, and practicality. Thanks for tuning in and investing your time with us. Make an informed decision and elevate your Ford Maverick's performance with the best tonneau cover, brand name. Thanks for watching.